again, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a quick show and tell on this unit from the Studio Cut by Pros. This is their natural deep part lace wig. I have it in the style Dpl-003 and the color is FF27. You see the little 27 peeking through, cute. So if you guys are interested in checking out this wig, I urge you to stay tuned so you can get my full opinion and all the details. And check out SAMSBEAUTY.com down below. This is where you can exclusively purchase this collection. And y'all, with all that being said, let's hop right into today's video.
Okay, bottles in the club, pocket full of huns, and you just broke 2 in the ones. Ayy, you and all your girls, you ain't out here looking for love. And I know niggas made you cry, but I know I can make you come. I ain't trying to be facetious, but you sweeter than Reese's. Got more class than all my teachers. Let me hit you with this thesis. I for you, you for me. We the new Osiris and Isis. Cop a private to Dubai, talking fly shit like a pilot, baby. Keep it real with yourself.
Just popping this wig on my head. I like it for the simple fact I'm not gonna have to glue it down. So if you're looking for a wig that you can pretty much throw on and go once you get the part and everything situated, I suggest this wig. Being that it's hella long, this is not an everyday wig. This is definitely a special occasion wig. I'm gonna go ahead and darken the roots right here and get the parting space together so it can look as natural as possible, because this right here it's not doing it for me.
All out like Wilson. We top floor at the Hilton. Post this story on your Insta. You so fine, don't need no filter. Fuck, you should probably kick it. Bet your ex nigga be sick as fuck. If you want this ticket to good living, girl, just hit me up and we can hit the road. Party in the hills. I can change your life, and all I ask is keep it real. Can I trust you with my feelings? Can I express my feels, shorty? I still gotta watch my back. I'm not just anybody. And then the drama and that trauma mixed up leads to mistrust. Then it gets tough to ever love again. But I can show you better, and I can love you better. They say now's better than later, but later's better than never. Baby, still keep it real with yourself. Caught up in these feelings, I'ma keep it real with you. Girl, I know you good by yourself. Call them Mrs. Independent. You've been on a mission. That's how it feels when there's nothing left. And your love.
So I've been waiting for an excuse to use this dry shampoo. This is by Pantene and it's their Refresh dry shampoo. And when I tell you it smells so good, most of the time dry shampoos, I don't really be liking the smell of them, but I like the smell of this one a lot. Kind of smells like gummy bears. It does get a little bit of white on the hair. This hair isn't like too shiny, but it has a luster to it. And I'm getting ready to go outside, so I want to make sure I dough that down. And I'm going to take a little bit of water. All this hair in the brush is not from this wig. I should have cleaned it out first. But it's definitely having a little bit of shedding going on. But nothing. Hold on, let me see what I get when I run my fingers through it. So I'm mainly getting sheddings from the blonde. And what color is this? It's a FF27. So this 27 in the front is kind of shedding. I'm gonna turn this back on because I feel like it got like a slight hump back here. And I didn't glue this down or anything. Well, you see me put a little bit of got to be glued spray right here in the front, but other than that, I didn't do anything. Now I don't like the color that I chose for my parting space. I don't know, it be hit or miss when I use that concealer. This wig falls about 26 or so inches on me, and if you're familiar with my channel, then you know I am short. I'm 5'2", so this wig may not come as long on you if you're not as short as I am. So this is going to pretty much conclude today's video. Be sure to check out samsbeauty.com. I'll link that in the description box. Let me know your thoughts. on this unit. Would I suggest this wig if you want this kind of curl pattern in this custom color? Yes, I'll suggest it for a special occasion. It's not my favorite, but it's definitely a decent wig, and it's perfect if you need to get out the door in a rush. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel today. Love ya. Bye.